Today's video I'm going to show you how to install Sublime Text on macOS. It also works on Windows and Linux. So you're going to go to this website, https://www.sublimetext.com. And once here, you can either hit this download for Mac button or you can hit download up here at the top. So we're going to pick the macOS version. Obviously, if you want something different to include a portable Windows version for a thumb drive, you'll want to choose that. And we're going to allow the download. We see that landing inside of my downloads directory. So if we click here, it's the bottom one. I'm going to left click on that. It says that we got it from the internet. So we're going to choose open so that we can get rid of that internet flag and mark it as safe. And now the software runs. The problem is the software is currently running and permanently kept in the downloads directory. So I want to fix that. So I'm going to close the application, quit Sublime Text, and I'm going to open up two Finder windows. So in the first Finder window, I'm going to go to my applications, and we're going to readjust a little bit. And this other one, we're going to click on this icon. We're going to go to Sublime Text and we're going to drag drop it over there. So now it is installed in our applications directory, and I can safely delete whatever out of my downloads, for example, and it doesn't delete my application. So if I click on apps and we start typing Sublime Text, we can see that it is popped up right there. If you find yourself using the application frequently, what you can do is just right click on the application here, choose options, keep in dock, and it'll move over to where all of your pinned items are. And if you ever change your mind, you can right click and then under options just take that check mark away, and you'll notice that it stays on this side of the line until we actually close it. And then when we go back into applications, it is on the right hand, so that way once it closes it just goes away. So Sublime Text, it's lightweight, super fast, and you can open up files, or you can even drag entire directories into it and start working with different items. And you can actually go farther by installing package controls and plugins, but that's a separate video. And that is it. You're ready to go. I hope you found that helpful. Thank you for watching. Take care.